हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल द वर्ल्ड ऑफ क्राफ्ट एंड एजुकेशन। तो आज हम बात करेंगे अपने प्लैनेट अर्थ के बारे में और इसके हम कुछ ऐसे टिप देंगे जो आपने शायद ही कभी सुने होंगे। तो फर्स्ट टिप है प्लेट टेक्टोनिक्स कीप द प्लैनेट कंफर्टेबल। अर्थ इज द ओनली प्लैनेट इन द सोलर सिस्टम with plate tectonics. Basically, the outer crust of the earth is broken up into regions known as tectonic plates. These are floating on top of the magma interior of the earth and can move against one another. When two plates collide, one plate with subduct go underneath another. इसका मतलब and where they pull apart, they will allow fresh crust to form.
अब हम चलते हैं हमारे दूसरे टिप्स पर। अब हमारा दूसरा टिप्स का नाम है अर्थ इज ऑलमोस्ट अ स्फीयर। मैनी पीपल टेंड टू थिंक दैट द अर्थ इज अ स्फीयर। इन फैक्ट between the 6th century BCE and the modern era, this remained the scientific consensus. But thanks to modern astronomy and space travel, scientists have since come to understand that the earth is actually shaped like a flat sphere. इसका मतलब जो साइंटिस्ट पहले जब मानते थे वो कहते पूरा ही स्फीयर, पर ये थोड़ा सा स्फीयर है, पूरा स्फीयर नहीं है। और कॉमा आका डॉट एंड प्लेट्स प्रोवाइड और ये स्पेयर नॉर्थ और साउथ पोल से स्पेयर है हमारी अर्थ। और आका डॉट एंड प्लेट्स प्रोवाइड एक ये लिंक है जिसको आप जाकर सर्च करके आप और जानकारी पा सकते हैं अर्थ की।
Now let's go to our next point. Its name is Earth is mostly iron, oxygen and silicon. If you could separate the earth out into piles of material, you didn't get 32.1% iron, 30.1% oxygen, 15.1% silicon and 13.9% magnesium. Of course, most of this iron is actually located at the core of the earth. If you could actually get down and sample the core, it would be 88% iron. And if you sample the earth's crust, you didn't find that 47% of it is oxygen.
Now let's go to our next tip. That is, when astronauts first went into the space, they looked back at the earth with human eyes from the first time. Based on the observation, the earth acquired the nickname the blue planet. And it's no surprise seeing as how 70% of our planet is covered with oceans. The remaining 30% is the soil crust that is located above sea level. Hence why it is called the continental crust.
Let's go on another point. Name is the Earth's molten iron core creates a magnet field. The Earth is like a great big magnet with poles at the top and bottom near to the actual geographic poles. The magnet field it creates extends thousands of kilometers out from the surface of the Earth, forming a region called the magnetosphere. Scientists think that this magnetic field is generated by molten outer core of the earth, where he creates convection motions of conducting material to generation electric currents.
Now let's go to our next point. Its name is Earth has one moon and two co-orbital satellites. As you are probably aware, Earth has one moon. Plenty is known about the body and we have written many articles about it. So we thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.